Luxury begins with halal craftsmanship.
Every design reflects elegance, crafted for elegance around the world.
Quality begins at the source. Luxury follows every journey. Healthy nutrition creates premium quality. Premium leather begins with healthy livestock. Premium leather creates timeless beauty. Strict halal standards guide every step. Luxury begins with timeless craftsmanship. Safe transport begins with careful handling. Safe transport starts with calm handling. The journey to craftsmanship begins. The journey to premium craftsmanship begins. Premium materials arrive with precision. Only the finest animals are selected. Animal welfare remains the highest priority.
Every animal receives expert care.
Careful handling protects premium quality. Strict standards ensure trusted quality. Premium materials arrive under controlled conditions. Natural tanning creates lasting luxury. Every hide is handled with exceptional care. Artificial intelligence grades every hide. Deep cleaning preserves natural quality. Purified water prepares the leather. Precision cutting transforms leather into perfection. Every stitch reflects true craftsmanship.
Precision stitching builds lasting quality. Smooth function meets elegant design. Premium hardware adds timeless elegance.
Luxury begins inside every bag. Strong handles complete the structure. Luxury is defined by every detail.
Every bag passes rigorous inspection.
The final finish reveals true luxury. Every edge is finished to perfection. Every masterpiece is ready for the world. Every product is digitally verified. presentation reflects true luxury.
Every masterpiece receives premium protection. Every shipment is securely sealed. Export packaging is completed with precision. Smart storage prepares every global shipment.
Automation ensures perfect shipment preparation. Every container is loaded with precision. From craftsmanship to customers worldwide. Luxury travels across the world. Every machine is maintained to perfection. Cleanliness protects premium craftsmanship. Every surface is restored to perfection. Excellence ends with spotless standards. Tomorrow begins with today's perfection. Luxury becomes part of everyday life. Luxury travels without limits. Every masterpiece deserves the spotlight. Crafted for elegance around the world. Luxury is made for every generation. Crafted with excellence, admired across the world. Trusted by customers across the world. From halal craftsmanship to luxury, admired around the world.